4 of them. Plus.
4.
Two of those.
That's a nice little feed.
It's dinner tonight. We threw a few back because we knew we weren't going to eat that much. So yeah. So we've got 4 fish, 4 crabs. Beautiful. Start running on us. Ready. Open up. Good sized crab. It's a male. Males in the territory have got to be 13 centimetres. Females, you can keep the females, 14 centimetres. We're going to undo this now. Again. It's the first time I've ever had an extendable drawbar on anything. They're a great idea. So I didn't have to have the car anywhere near the water. That's it, simple.
Go.
Right, for years, that's what I used to pound into a ground, bend them, whatever. Now I use these. They're called hex pegs, because most people carry an impact driver with them. So it's pretty simple. Chuck that on there. That adapter comes with the hex pegs. Stick it in the ground. No way you would have driven a peg into that. Done. 5 seconds. See how quick, how good it is down this end. Done, I'm all pegged up. Now Mark's got another one. We'll show you that one in a sec, which is nearly identical. And they both, I think they're both on top of the range, top of the chart for screw-in pegs. So we'll show you that one in a sec.
Number 5 torque bit.
Hex peg.
Suck. See how you can put the rope on the holder and it doesn't spin like those jack things?
Done.
And a decent DeWalt, not Kmart or Zito.
It's not Kmart, they're super cheap too.
That's what I was trying to ramp it up for you, but anyway.
So for years we've been pounding pegs into the ground, bending them, and
Bending
God
them,
knows what
and
else.
then you can't get them out when you try and remove them.
Yep.
And they're twisted and rocks.
What you do, because most, as I said before, most people carry these things now. So, yep, just whack it on, drill it out, you're done. So that's our little tip for the week.
Yep.
Hex pegs.
And don't leave your battery on your drill, otherwise they go flat.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. Take that out, so you know, because that's rattling around in the toolbox. And when you get to where you're going, your battery's flat. So take your battery out and store them separately. All right, Merry Christmas. You filming? So what we're doing is just going to crack these open. So these are the ones we've already done, or Mark's already done for us. So yeah, so we've put the chili, it's actually sweet chili sauce. So we've used sweet chili sauce, some crushed garlic, and some Lure Pack garlic butter. Mixed it all in, thrown it all in there. So now we're just going to fry it all up like a, take about 10 minutes I suppose, 10-15 minutes to fry it all up. And well, when it's completely red, everything's completely red, then usually it's close to being cooked, so awesome.
Check the fishes.
So crab was cooking nicely, so what we've done is we've just covered it now. Put a little bit of water in it because it was sort of drying out a little bit too much. So yeah, so we'll chuck some water in it and
steam through.
We'll steam through. So we will show you the results in just a few moments. Now we're just going to baste it. That looks, I wish you had smell-o-vision, because it smells amazing. Not only does it look good, it smells amazing.
Ow, 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 it's hot, still hot, ow, hot again.
There we go. That's the end product. Someone stole the, oh no, there it is.
For what?
The claw. I thought both of them were gone, but there it is. The claw's there. Yeah, absolutely beautiful this will be.